Home appliances have become an integral part of our daily lives, making chores more manageable and enhancing our overall quality of life. From refrigerators that keep our food fresh to washing machines that ensure clean clothes, these machines have revolutionized the way we manage our households. However, like all things mechanical, appliances can break down or develop issues over time. This is where home appliance repair and services come to the rescue, providing homeowners with the expertise and assistance needed to keep their appliances running smoothly. The importance of home appliance repair cost-effective solutions. Replacing a malfunctioning appliance can be a significant financial burden. Home appliance repair services offer a cost-effective alternative by diagnosing and fixing the issue, often at a fraction of the cost of purchasing a new appliance. This not only saves money, but also reduces waste, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Extended appliance lifespan. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the lifespan of your appliances. Professional technicians can identify and address issues before they escalate, ensuring your appliances continue to serve you for years to come. This not only saves you money, but also reduces the environmental impact associated with appliance disposal. Convenience and time savings appliance breakdowns can disrupt your daily routine and add unnecessary stress to your life. Home appliance repair services provide the convenience of on-site repairs, saving you the hassle of transporting heavy appliances to a repair shop. Additionally, the expertise of professional technicians ensures a swift resolution, minimizing downtime. Common appliances, requiring repair. Refrigerators and freezers. Refrigerators and freezers are essential for preserving food. When these appliances malfunction, it can lead to food spoilage and financial losses. Repair services can address issues such as temperature fluctuations, strange noises, and leaks, ensuring your perishables remain fresh. Washing machines and dryers' laundry is a never-ending task in most households, and a malfunctioning washer or dryer can quickly disrupt your routine. Repair technicians can fix issues like drum knot spinning, water leakage, and dryer heating problems, allowing you to keep your clothes clean and dry. Ovens and stoves. Cooking appliances like ovens and stoves are vital for meal preparation. When they break down, it can be challenging to prepare home-cooked meals. Repair services can address issues such as temperature inaccuracies, faulty burners, and electrical problems, ensuring your kitchen remains functional. Dishwashers. Dishwashers save time and effort when it comes to cleaning dishes. A malfunctioning dishwasher can be a nuisance, but professional repair services can handle issues like water not draining, spray arm problems, and detergent dispenser failures. Choosing the right appliance repair service. When seeking appliance repair services, it's essential to choose a reputable and experienced provider. Here are some factors to consider. Experience and expertise. Look for technicians with a track record of successfully repairing the specific appliance you need help with. Licensing and certification. Ensure the repair service is licensed and certified, guaranteeing the competence and professionalism of their technicians. Warranty and guarantees. A trustworthy repair service will typically offer warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind in case issues reoccur. Customer reviews. Reading reviews and testimonials from previous customers can provide valuable insights into the service provider's quality and reliability. Home appliance repair and services play a crucial role in maintaining the functionality and longevity of household appliances. By choosing professional repair technicians, homeowners can save money, time, and reduce their environmental footprint. Keeping your appliances in top condition ensures that your daily routines run smoothly, allowing you to enjoy the convenience and comfort they bring to your life for years to come. So, the next time your appliance malfunctions, consider reaching out to a trusted appliance repair service to get it back in working order.